welcome back to my channel Extreme Gaming. This is the part 13 of Pokemon Adventure Red chapter. Last time I helped Giovanni and he gave me the trunk HM. So today I'm going to Cinema Island. So before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel Extreme Gaming. So let's start the video. So time to just trunk. It's so strong, too strong. What? Oh, I'm underwater now. I have bought some apples, so let's use it. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? What's this? HM03 Surf. The Dragon. Yeah, I remember this episode. I think I get and yeah, that was in this episode. Chapter 18 Deep Sea Search. Got her again. Again it got her. It's not getting her this time. Yeah. Okay, I defeated the Dragonite. Damn it, it's not down yet. What? Come out, Pikachu. Pikachu, I know you're not that great. That's that water combat. But all you gotta do is distract it for a while. Pikachu, Pikachu. Snorlax. But I'm running from that Dragonite. I can't believe it's a Gyarados. Let's get out of here. Misty, I got your HM0 research, but I think the Dragonite damaged it when you were fighting it. That is just reckless as usual. Going after an item in a place like that, who knows what would have happened if Gyarados and I hadn't come along. If you wanted to cross the sea, this is barely you should have come to none other than the water type specialist Misty. Cool how? Gyarados, that's how. How about this? If you get me a Krabby, I'll trade you my Gyarados. I'll be waiting. Where Pokeball? Before let's go and catch the Krabby. No. Let me try a quick attack. One more quick attack. One more quick attack. Okay. Grade 4. Gotcha. No. Seal. Should I go up? Yeah. Let's try the Krabby for a Gyarados. Okay, let me look for what its name is. Okay, so its name is Gyara. So G Y A R A. Obtain the HM03. Oh, and take this HM03. Now that you have HM water type Pokemon stuff, you can cross this sea. You don't even need to teach it to a Pokemon occurred in Cinnaba Island and Sea Form Island. I heard people say that there's a legendary Pokemon that lives there. Good luck, Rat. But aren't you going to come with me? I'm Gym Lead. I have responsibility. Okay, the only reason I followed you this far was that I figured you would have trouble crossing the sea. Take good care of Gyarados. That I wish I could stay, but end of deep sea chapter. So guys, I'm going to heal up my Pokemon. So guys, I healed up my Pokemon. I trade Gyarados to level 36. So let's get going. Sorry. I think I use Vesper. This is here. There's another way here. Cloud Sea Form Island. The trees and the grass, they are covered in snow. You want to go now? Okay guys, our opponent this time is the legendary Pokemon Articuno. If you sense anything, let me know instantly. Chapter 19, Articuno chapter. Wow. I am excited to see Chad Molcon on this game. I wanted to see it for a long time. I just seen it in a manga. I would be able to see it in a game for the first time. Team 20 Safeguard. Okay. Yes. Okay, this puzzle is a little tricky. not that tricky. Articuno. It's Articuno. Why isn't it moving? Team Rocket, this is our Articuno. Don't get in our way, kids. You guys did this to Articuno. Excuse you know nothing about Articuno. Yet you want to take it away from us. Articuno is Pokemon that dislikes fighting when it senses the presence of danger. It will suspend itself, leaving it immobile. We are not taking Articuno. So why are you gonna stop us? No, are you gonna stop us? Yes, I'm going to stop you. Thunderbolt. Okay. Articuno is moving. It's getting away. Leave that brat. Articuno is far more important. Okay. So I have to chase them. Okay, so now King's Rock. Certainly. Oh no. That's the end of the road for a kid. It's so easy to get far in Team Rocket. All I have to do is kill a little kid and I'll get promoted. I don't think you will be able to kill me. Arbiter. Thunderbolt. I repeated Team Rocket grunt. Articunosaurus. I have orders to eliminate you, a little kid. It's super effective. Yeah, this is the Team Rocket grunt. Huff huff. Huff huff. I still have one more Pokemon left. What? I can't do it. What have I turned into? A person who was going to murder a child? I can do it. This is present. Once they find out their self-destructive, their implant enemy will activate, killing me. Is he acting? I know what I must do. Huff huff. What did he do? Did he suicide? If your body was thrown into the cold freezing water, how long would it take until your body is crushed by the underwater pressure? Let's find out. He clinging to your life, I suppose. Okay. Ha! We lost Satikuna because of you. You know way too much this place is going to be a burial ground. No, you're going to get defeated. I defeated Team Rocket Ground. Ark. Ark. How disappointing. I thought you'd be a lot stronger. Did I lose? Considering you defeated both Lieutenant Surge and Koga. If only my Pokemon were at full health, I would have defeated both you easily. Serious, but we'll never know now. Goodbye, kid. Articuno. It's Articuno, quick after it. Reporting all squad members, Articuno is heading north from Seafoam Island. Go after it. I'm sorry, but at the cost of Articuno giving up its own safety by coming out of hiding to protect me. End of Articuno chapter. Cinnabar Island. So I will face Moltres here. Team Rocket again? Who's this kid? It's certainly not Brains, that's for sure. He'll seen us. That's more than enough reason to eliminate him. Damn it, I still have in my position from the battle back in Seafoam Island. Wait. You finally decided to show yourself, traitor. Maybe this kid was blasting in disguise. Come on, Raptors. Are you done? Jenga, Night Side. Elf, Elf, why you little... Chapter 20, Volcano Badge. You risk your life for me? Hey, Gus, so my name is Blaine. And you? It's Red, but why are those guys after you? Why are they calling you a traitor? You see, I was a scientist for Team Rocket. What, Team Rocket? Come out, Blaine. We know you are somewhere in the forest. It seems our pursuers haven't quite given up yet. We need to create a diversion. Red, can you find me a volcanic rock, dry leaves, and flame petal? Yes, so first let's look for volcanic rock. cutting the volcanic rock. For a second. Dry leaves and flame butter. Done. See. It is a flame petal. Dry leaves. I think this is it. I found some dry leaves. They are just dry. Rain. Okay, this should be enough. Now let's find the right place to set up the diversion. Where is the right place? I think I can see that kid who helped me to play. So the other way. With these items, I will be able to create enough friction which they create fire. You smell that? The fire? They are planning their attack. Hurry, let's all gather there. The plan work. Let's run. I was just wondering, why didn't you use your lapidus to conjure up the fire? Prepare to attack. We don't have time. We have to run now. Can I run in this way? Flames. We can just run, Blaine. We got to fight back. These flames, something's different about them. That's it. It's the legendary Pokemon Moltres. Team Rocket is Moltres. Ha, I'll make you regret turning against us, Blaine. You remember the Moltres we caught back in the Indigo Plateau? The latest miss attack, nothing can stop it until it burns everything to ashes. Moltres. Squawk. Data, don't get too close. Moltres is known to be savage and unpredictable. I don't think I will be able to catch this. Underboard. One more underboard. Level 43. See, I can't even get close to it. It just keep flying away. Do you have flight type with powers that rival that of legendary Pokemon? Yeah, Gyarados. But of course not. When it's not too hard to fight a flying opponent, let alone a legendary one. Now what's this? Brain. There are items and places for scientific curiosity, but this is an amber. Yes, so but listen to me. Moltres is a powerful Pokemon. If this battle continues, we are both finished. I have a lab inside the volcano. Take this key and go there. You'll know what to do once you get the mystery key. Wait, why did I buy the sound came? Man, it's so hot in here. So Blaine's lab is somewhere in this volcano. Huh? Hey, there's Carter here. You fall right into my clutches again. This so reminds me of the time back in Celadon City Rocket Game Corner. You are the kid who humiliated me back in Sheldon City. Here waiting for an opportunity for revenge. Damn it, humiliated again. Okay, so now nothing here. Okay, let's see whether the key works. It worked. Fossil River project active. Oh, I am going to get an aerodactyl, right? Should I place some fossil into the machine? Yes. Claw fossil detector. Helix fossil detector. Dome fossil detector. Old amber detector. Fossil River process complete. River first immediately transfer into PC. The user is holding more than 6 Pokemon. Okay, that's my video. Okay, so let's get out of here. I think I need to go back to Fuchsia City now. Wait, my Pokemon. And or it should have kept old and different. Okay guys, I'm going to go to Fuchsia City and take Aerodactyl from the PC. Or I think I don't need to do that. Let's fight using Gyarados. Moltres Squawk. Moltres. So I think I'm going to go to Fuchsia City now. Okay guys, now I am at the Fuchsia City Pokemon Center. So let's take our Aerodactyl. What more items? More Pokemon. Aerodactyl. More. Party. And a red shift. Okay guys, I'm now going to go to Cinnabar Island. Okay guys, I am now at Cinnabar Island. So let's put my Aerodactyl in the front. Moltres Squawk. Sorry I'm late. You did it. You restored Aerodactyl. See the Pokemon? I have just revived this an Aerodactyl. Alright, let's see him. Aerodactyl. Ace and power. One more ace and power. Okay, defeat a Moltres. Return. What? Mortars lost? We got to retreat now. Blaine, are you alright? Blaine, I'll be okay. Thanks to you, Red. I must leave this island now. Oh, that was soon. Yeah, I have my own mission to complete. I must see to it that the bioweapon that I created for Team Rocket isn't a threat anymore. I don't care even if I became hunted by Team Rocket themselves. Bioweapon, thanks for helping me, Dad. Take this volcano badge as a gift for helping me. You are the Cinnabar Island gym leader? Yes, I am sorry. I'm sorry, but I'll give you an extra gym battle in the future. Take care, Dad. And the volcano badge chapter. Couldn't get Blaine even with Moltres, huh? Sabdos from the Papen has been captured. Now that the two neutral project is smooth, these will be our asses. Officer Henry, no unauthorized personal step away. Oh, come on, please let me through. Pretty please. Henry, no. Oh, you meanie? Yeah. But it's the same with every entrance. What do I do now? Hey, good job, Jigglypuff. Just a little bit further. Something is strange. Come on, Charizard. There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with the city. Bingo, cute mail is inside. Hi there, what's your name? Huh? Vada? I'll pretend I didn't see that. Come on, Charizard. No, don't. There's a... Huh? Couldn't you have warned me about that thing a little earlier? This berry isn't being produced by a psychic Pokemon, but it's surrounded the whole city. It must be one heck of Pokemon. Charge, slash. So attacks don't work. Hey you, I don't know why you want to get into Saffron City, but how about teaming up on this? This Gramps should know what to do. Okay, teamwork 60. So guys, I'm going to end the video here, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In the next video, I'll go and talk to Professor Oak and I'll go to Saffron City to stop Team Rocket. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and like the video. So bye bye.